So this is kind of awkward. I'm just now getting ready to edit, and I realized that I don't have an intro. Honestly, there's not really much to intro. I was gonna upload a little bit earlier, but I strained my back at the gym, and I literally could not get out of bed for like 2 days. I was gonna upload literally right after my last video, but I had to wait a little bit. I had to rest. I'm good enough now to where I can actually sit on my PC and like my back doesn't hurt that much, but. Uh, Honestly, don't really need an intro for this. I was just grinding. I have a couple like hours of footage where I was grinding the I think just escort. I was just mainly just getting coins. Actually, I don't. It was probably like 2 hours total. I'm pretty sure I started with like 2,000. And you'll see what I end up with. But honestly, there's not really much of an intro to make. I hope y'all just enjoy the video.
When night has become the day, they're sending you far away, so far away. When everything starts to fade, you don't have to be afraid. No, you don't have to be afraid. Take my hand and this is free love. That's what we are made of. Yes, we are. This is real love. That's what we are made of. Yes, we take my hand and that's what we are made of. Yes, we are. When you wanna get off the ground, but gravity pulls you down. Gravity pulls you down. When you feel out of place, you don't have to be afraid. No, you don't have to be afraid. Take my hand and this is free love. That's what we are made of. Yes, we are. This is real love. That's what we are made of. Yes, we take my hand and this is free love. That's what we are made of. Yes, we this is real love. That's what we are made of. Yes, we
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? keep you. More times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I gotta keep you?
When the lights go down, I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't care, no. You just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. Now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile, I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it up, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, oblivion. I'm going in. Fall into oblivion. Fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, I'm going in.
So just finished a couple runs, like probably like an hour worth. Let's see how many coins I got. I think I started with 2k, 2 or 3k, almost at 7,000 now. So I'm about halfway there. I can buy some of the kits right now. This is one of them that I was doing runs with. I think I'm actually gonna do that, but right now I'm gonna deposit all these XP kits onto my bird. I think it's level like 87 right now. I told you I was gonna continue the road to 110. So when I get my bird to 100, I'm gonna do gauntlet runs. I think gauntlet drops XP. I'm pretty sure that escort doesn't. So I'm gonna do gauntlet, get it to like, I don't know, I'll probably get it to like 105. I won't get it to 110. That'll be like for a different event. But let me just go ahead and deposit these real quick. Oh, alright, let's go ahead and open these. Alright, let's go ahead. See, this part is easy. Oh wait, no, my bird is level 83. I said 87. Oops. There you go. Now it's 87. I got a few more. I'll get it to 88. Dang, I was actually expecting a lot more levels. Like, I can't even lie. Got it from 83 to 87. Also, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this guy, dude. To be honest. But got to level 87 on my bird. Got almost 7,000 coins. Why is it not 87? Why is it 83? That's probably just a glitch. There we go. Got a little bit of tokens. I think I don't know. I really want to save it for Snap, but nah. I'm just gonna go buy I'm gonna go buy some of them right now. Some of the kits. Okay. Well, this is only gonna be account bound, so it's not really gonna be that cool. Fuck it. All right, let me buy this one. This one. Ooh, I'm like 50 coins off of buying both of these two. 50 bonus gold loot. Ooh, this is pretty good. No, I want both of these. All right, yeah, I'm like 50 off of buying this one. And then I need exactly 10,000 to buy. No, I need more. I need more. So, yeah, I might need to grind a lot more. But I got this one. Wait, does this give any? Hold on. Let's put this shit back on. There we go. There we go. Let's just go ahead and give this person some of my vanities that I don't need. Sorry about that. It's gonna be like, what the fuck? There we go. Enjoy it, buddy. All right, so that's it. Gonna end this video, go record. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed.